Hi, it's Darnell with NuWave Recipes, and today I'm going to be grilling French toast in the NuWave Primo Grill Oven. So you can have grilled French toast anytime, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Alright, so the ingredients I have for this grilled French toast are a tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. I'm using Splendor brown sugar blend, use your choice. I'm using 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of milk, use the milk of your choice. Got 2 large eggs, got 2 slices of homemade cinnamon raisin bread. This is basically the equivalent of probably 4 slices of your store bread. So I'm going to turn the NuWave Primo Grill Oven on, up the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to change the cooking time down to just 7 minutes, and I'm going to do a preheat. So I'm going to hit the preheat button there. So I've got a preheat 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 50-50 top and bottom, 7 minutes cooking time, and I'm going to hit start. You need that preheat in order to get the nice sear marks on your bread. But what I'm going to do with the ingredients, I'm going to start mixing those together here. Alright, now that I have them mixed, I'm going to use this pan here. I'm going to pour some in, and then put the bread in. Let that bread soak for a moment. Pour some over the top also. And just going to let this just set for a bit, and I'll flip it around. Then I'll basically swap my pieces of bread so that both get a nice coating of the French toast batter. If you like, you can, let yours soak longer, let it soak overnight, whatever you choose. Alright, our preheat is complete. I'm going to set the dome over here. It's like my cord I got wrapped around there. Alright, set the dome down. Going to put my bread on, both slices. You hear things starting to sizzle some. Alright, got my slices of bread on. Put my dome back and just hit start, and it's going to start cooking. I'm going to let it cook on this side for 3 minutes, and then 4 minutes. 4 minutes on the first side. I'll bring you on back. Okay, 4 minutes passed. Pause. Get the lid off. Going to flip these slices of bread. Seems they got a little stuck together there on the end, so just try and get them separated. Alright, flip that over. You see the nice sear marks there. Flip this other one over. Got some good searing going on with this French toast. Now I'm going to put my lid back. Let things play out for the final 3 minutes. Alright, we're coming into our final 10 seconds of this French toast. Cooked up at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 minutes total time plus the preheat. Going to stop it there and take the lid off, and you can have a look at our nice French toast. Ooh, be careful at the edge there, it's hot. Now I'm just going to flip it so you see the opposite. Ooh, don't want to knock it over. Be careful there. Once you see the opposite side there, got some searing on the opposite side there. So I'm going to flip these over onto my plate to plate them. Of course, for the taste test, I'll do it condiment free, but I usually put a little syrup, butter on my French toast and such. You can tell me in the comments what you like on your French toast, or maybe what type of French toast batter you prefer. But have a look at that grilled French toast. I'm going to get the camera moved and we'll do a taste test. Alright, I cut myself off a slice for taste testing. You can tell this bread it's not hard, it's soft still. It's still nice and soft because it was soaked in that batter. So let's do a taste. excellent French toast. It's nice and soft, well cooked, turns out great. You got your nice searing. Couldn't ask for anything more from French toast. So definitely looking forward to your comments. You can find this and other great recipes at superwaveovenrecipes.com, on Twitter and Instagram at Wave Oven Recipes. You can always come to this YouTube channel by going to waveovenrecipes.com. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video with a friend. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and good eating.